Hello and welcome to Payfunnels. In this video, I will show you how to integrate Google Sheets directly with Payfunnels. First, log in to your Payfunnels account and navigate to Integrations under the Billing tab. Then scroll down to the Google Sheets section and click the Connect Google Sheets button, and you will be asked to connect your Google account. After successfully connecting your Google account, you'll see a list of available sections such as Payments, Subscriptions, Payment Links, and Customers. Enable the sections based on the data you want to sync with Google Sheets. You can also customize the fields for each section by clicking Select Fields. Once you've enabled the desired options, separate sheets will be automatically created under Payfunnels Data Sync for each selected section. Now, this is a recurring payment link for $500 per month. Let's complete a payment and create a subscription. Once the payment is processed, the data will be automatically synced to Google Sheets based on the sections you've enabled. You can see the payment information is added in the sheet. Also, when your customers subscribe to the recurring payment link, it will also create the subscription and pass the data to the subscription sheet. As you can see, the customer data has also been synced to the customer sheet. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@payfunnels.com. We're always happy to help.